average American retires with less than $90,000 saved. By the time most people figure out money, they've already lost a decade of wealth. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to give you a system. 5 steps. In order, no fluff. And here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with it. Stick around to step 3. Because that one alone is the reason most people stay broke their entire lives, even when they're making good money. I know. The word budget makes people want to fall asleep. But hear me out. A budget isn't a punishment. It's just a plan for your money. And right now, if you don't have one, your money has a plan for you. Spoiler. It involves a lot of subscriptions you forgot you have. Here's the framework I want you to use. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs. Rent, food, transport. 30% goes to wants. Eating out, Netflix, whatever brings you joy. 20% goes to savings and investing. Non-negotiable. Now, does it have to be exactly those numbers? No. But you need a starting point. And this one works. Okay, step 2. And this is where a lot of people get it backwards. People ask me, should I invest or save first? And the answer is, save first. Always. Here's why. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down. You lose a client. A medical bill shows up. Without an emergency fund, one bad month wipes out everything you've built. So what's the target? 3 to 6 months of living expenses, sitting in a high-yield savings account. Not your checking account. Not under your mattress. A high-yield savings account. One that's actually earning you something while it sits there. This fund is your financial immune system. Build it before you do anything else. All right. Step 3. The one I teased at the start. Here's the hard truth. You cannot build wealth while you're hemorrhaging money to debt. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. Now, not all debt is bad. A mortgage? That can be fine. A student loan at a low rate? Manageable. But credit card debt? Personal loans at 20% plus interest? That stuff is destroying your future. Every single month you carry that balance, the bank is charging you for the privilege of being broke. So here's what you do. List every debt you have. Every single one. Interest rate, minimum payment, balance. Then use one of 2 methods. The avalanche, pay off the highest interest rate debt first. Mathematically the most efficient. The snowball, pay off the smallest balance first. Psychologically the most motivating. Pick one. Commit. Don't stop until the high-interest debt is gone. Step 4. Investing. And before you say, I don't have enough money to invest, stop. You don't need a lot. You need consistency. Here's the biggest thing to understand about investing. Time is your most valuable asset. Not stock picks, not crypto. Time. If you invest $200 a month starting at 22, by the time you're 62, you could have over $500,000. Start at 32? That same $200 a month gets you less than half. Same money, same discipline, half the result. That's what waiting costs you. So where do you start? If your employer offers a 401k with matching, start there immediately. That's free money. Take it. After that, open a Roth IRA. Tax-free growth. Tax-free withdrawals in retirement. It's one of the best wealth tools available to regular people. And inside those accounts, keep it simple. Index funds, low fees, broad market exposure, long track record. You don't need to pick stocks. The market does the work. All right. Final step, and this one's different from the others, because steps 1 through 4 are defensive. Step 5 is offensive. Building wealth isn't just about not losing money. It's about putting your money to work, actively. This looks different for everyone. For some people, it's maxing out their retirement accounts. For others, it's buying rental property, starting a side hustle, building a business, picking up additional income streams. The through line is this. Wealthy people don't just save money. They make their money multiply. And here's the key mindset shift. Stop asking, how much can I spend? Start asking, how much can I deploy? Every dollar is either working for you or working for someone else. And that's the blueprint. 5 steps. Not complicated. But most people never do them. Because knowing and doing are 2 very different things. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pick 1 step from this video. Just one. And do something about it this week. Not next month, this week. If you found this useful, there's more where that came from. We break down personal finance every week on this channel. Saving, investing, retirement, all of it. Explained like a human being, not a textbook. Subscribe if you want to keep building, and drop a comment below. Which step are you starting with?